Let's look at how to use Notability to complete an assignment. You can see here that it says View Attachments. When we have assignments like this, we will most likely need to use Notability. It will also tell you that in the directions. Then you click on the blue attachment. Then we will need to tap on the box with the arrow. Slide the apps over until you see where it says Copy to Notability. Again, it's very important that you're finding the one that says Copy to Notability. It's the one with a pencil and a microphone. Go ahead and tap. We will want to click the blue button that says Create New Note. And then in the top right-hand corner, the blue word Import. Now we are in Notability. At the top, you can see different features. We can also make the screen smaller by pinching our fingers and pulling them out. So I can make this screen smaller by pinching 2 fingers together. At the top, you can see a T for text. I can tap on the screen and draw a text box. Or I can tap this so it automatically makes text boxes for me. So I can draw the text box. And here maybe I will say the woman saw a man with a hat. Because this picture, maybe I'm going to make into a hat. We can use the draw feature. We can tap on it again to change the different colors. We can also change the thickness, and we can also change how it looks. So this will make it a little more solid. This gives you a little bit of a tapered edge. And you can see you can scroll through the different things to find different colors. And this is where, when you favorite colors, it'll show up. The next one is a highlighter. If I need to highlight a word within something, again, I can tap on it to change the color and the thickness. If I made a mistake, I can go to the next one, which is an eraser. I can erase what I did, and there you can see it kind of looks like I erased everything, but you'll only erase what you made, not the original document. The scissors we won't really need much, and the little hand is how you make it so you can scroll down. So if there's maybe more than one page that you need to complete, to be able to scroll, you have to be on that hand. Now, when we're all done, we need to submit it. This is the tricky part because there are multiple steps, so you may have to watch this video multiple times. We're going to go to the left where you can see the box with the arrow. Then we need to go to Other Apps at the bottom. We are going to tap on Share Note. Again, we need to swipe over to find where it says Copy to Schoology. So this time we're going back to Schoology and we're making a copy. Tap on Copy to Schoology. Then we are going to Submit to Assignment. So that was Copy to, Submit Assignment. Then you have to remember where you are. So in your title, see the W, that W is standing for writing. You'll see that if it's an R, it's reading. S, science. M, math. Okay? So W for writing, so I know that this needs to go back to our writing assignment. And then I was just working on the one that says the woman, so I have to click on the woman. Make sure you're making it go to the correct place. Then you would tap Upload. And you'll see it says green at the top. Your submission has been added. Now we can go back. To go back, you landed in Schoology. So we can hit that little arrow and the arrow, and you'll notice that you're actually in Schoology. It takes you right back. If that didn't happen, use your home screen to get out of it and go back into Schoology.